Welcome to our quick guide on enabling use data to personalize your Discord experience. If you've ever wondered how Discord tailors your app experience, this is the walkthrough for you. First, open Discord on your device. Once the app is loaded, look to the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This takes you into the settings area where you can adjust a variety of preferences. From the main settings menu, scroll to find data and privacy. Tap on it to open the privacy options. Here you'll see a list of data-related features you can manage. The one we're focusing on is Use Data to Personalize My Discord Experience. This option controls how Discord uses your activity to tailor features, recommendations, and your overall experience on the platform. The toggle on Use Data to Personalize My Discord Experience. When the switch slides to the on position, you're allowing Discord to analyze your activity and preferences to deliver more relevant content, suggestions, and improvements across the app. If you ever change your mind, you can come back here and switch it off with the same toggle. After turning it on, a quick confirmation may appear to ensure you want to enable personalization. Confirm your choice and you're all set. Your Discord experience should now feel a bit more intuitive, with features that align with how you use the app day to day. A couple of practical notes. Personalization works best when you're actively engaging with servers, channels, and friends, since those signals guide what Discord suggests or prioritizes for you. You can revisit data and privacy anytime to review or adjust other privacy settings, or even disable this feature later if you rethink your preferences. If you're using Discord on multiple devices, the settings should sync across your account, so the personalization follows you whether you're on mobile or desktop.